Mastering am, are, is able to express your abilities with ease. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting video lesson. Today, we're going to focus on expressing abilities in the present tense using am, are, is able to. This is a common, versatile expression that you'll use quite often in English. So, get ready to master this topic. Let's start with the basics. The phrase am, are, is able to is a way of expressing a person's current ability to do something. The choice between am, are, and is depends on the subject of your sentence. Use am with I, are with you, we, they, and is with he, she, it. Let's look at some examples. I am able to play the piano. You are able to understand this video. He is able to speak 3 languages. Now, how do we use am, are, is able to in a sentence? Simple. After the phrase am, are, is able to, add the base form of the verb that represents the action. For example, she is able to cook. Cook is the base form of the verb. So remember, it's am, are, is able to, plus, base verb. One common mistake that learners make is to add ing or ed to the verb after am, are, is able to. Remember, we need the base form of the verb after this phrase. Avoid making this mistake. Incorrect. They are able to running a marathon. Correct. They are able to run a marathon. And there you have it. Today, we've learned how to express present abilities using am, are, is able to. This is a handy tool for your English language arsenal, so make sure to practice it. Write your own sentences in the comments below and I'll give you some feedback. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.